Guys, today I want to do a quick unbox review and setup on my new boxing gloves and speed bag. I do want to say thank you to the company for sending it out for reviews. Let's go and take a look at them. These boxing gloves and speed bags are built to elevate your training no matter what level. Let's start with comfort and performance. These gloves are made with custom P200 foam padding and sport grade leather, giving you a durable, supportive feel. They're lightweight but tough, designed to take hits and bounce back. Inside, a soft lining and ventilated mesh with air-cooled technology keeps your hands cool and dry, over 300% cooler than traditional gloves. The same durability extends to the speed bag. Crafted from high-grade microfiber artificial leather with reinforced seams, it's made for repeated impact and long sessions. Whether you're working on speed, accuracy, or reflexes, its pear-shaped design elevates a perfect rebound every time, keeping your rhythm sharp. Both items focus on support and performance. These aren't just entry-level gloves, they're made to grow with you as your training intensifies. Pair that with the speed bag's balanced design and consistent rebound, and you've got a training setup that builds skill and stamina. It's perfect for improving agility, hand-eye coordination, and focus, all while holding up under pressure. So whether you're hitting the bag, sharpening your footwork, or just getting your cardio in, this combo is built to deliver comfort, performance, and lasting value session after session. So if you guys are looking for some new training gloves and speed bag, definitely look into these. I'm gonna leave that link down below. Highly recommend.